The Zenfone 11 Ultra is here, and it's a lot more than we expected. ASUS has officially unveiled the Zenfone 11 Ultra. The Zenfone 11 Ultra will be available in Eternal Black, Misty Gray, Skyline Blue, and Desert Sand color options. The general design of the Zenfone 11 Ultra is not different from the ROG Phone 8 series. All the other design elements are quite similar between the Zenfone 11 Ultra and the ROG Phone 8 series. The Zenfone 11 Ultra features a 6.78-inch Full HD plus AMOLED LTPO panel that will support up to a 144Hz refresh rate, with 2500 nits peak brightness, and feature an in-screen fingerprint scanner for security. The handset runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and a maximum of 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It offers a couple of AI features like real-time AI transcript, a new AI-based search tool, live language translation, and noise cancellation, among others. The device running with the Android 14, the ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra has an AI-backed triple rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary sensor with a 6-axis Gimbal Stabiliser 3.0, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 32-megapixel telephoto sensor with OIS and 3x optical zoom, and a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. The device will pack a 5500 mAh battery with 65W wired and 15W wireless charging support. The ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra starting price €999. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.